So today in this video I am going to describe one of the finest book for competitive programming, that is Competitive Programmers Handbook. That is a free online book you can download from here. So I will give the link in the description. You can go to the description and download the book directly from here, or you can come to this website also, okay, and cacs.fi/book/index.php and download it from here as well. Okay, so this book is like this. So you can see that about 300 pages are there. So let me download this book. So I will just open this book once. So this book is a wonderful resource for beginners in competitive programming. So you can see these contents. So it is a very good book for studying. So it has various chapters. If you can revise the chapters, it will take hardly 2 months to go through the book, and it will be very helpful for you if you are really in the world of competitive programming. So I will suggest another book. It is called a basic book for beginners. I will suggest it for to read first and then come to my second book. So I will recommend another book, that is this one, Guide to Competitive Programming. So if you visit this website, you can see here also that Guide to Competitive Programming, but it will charge you some money here. But you can also go to a blog in Codeforces that says that Guide to Competitive Programming. Here is a link. So you can download this paid book in a free version. So you just click on this get, and you will be able to download this book. Okay, and as I have downloaded it, so I will show you some. It will take some time. You can see that here is a link. So I will download it. So it will take some time because it is a 11 MB book, so it will take some time. Again, it is a not long book, but about 300 pages are there, so you can go through the book in 2 months only, according to your speed, obviously. So I will show you the book. Okay, it is taking some time for me. Okay, this is the book, that it is Springer edition. Springer is the publisher of this book, and you can go to the, I will go to the contents and show you that here is the time complexity, this one, and sorting, searching, data structures, dynamic programming, graph algorithms. So these are the topics here, but this book is a bit advanced, so I suggest you to go to the beginners book first and then come to this book. So it is a very good book for the ICPC programming contest, all the various contests. So I had suggested these two books only. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more videos on competitive programming, please write in the comment that I want more videos like this. So I will definitely try to make more useful videos, and if this video creates value to you, please consider subscribing. Thank you.